Welcome to Arun's Techforge Python programming series. I am Arun Barua and I welcome you to the Python programming series. So let us begin.
Today we will be looking at dictionary. So let's go back to the Python environment. Okay, Python 3. Now, what is a dictionary? Okay, dictionary is a kind of hash table type, or it's a type of data structure which has a key value pair. Okay, a dictionary key can be almost any Python type, but usually numbers or strings, and values on the other hand, it can be also any arbitrary Python object. Now we use these curly braces to define a dictionary. Let's see some examples. Okay, say DIC, or I should say my DIC, my dictionary equals to, so I have created an empty dictionary, right? Say my dictionary, and I use a key, say my new. Okay, it's just a key equals to, okay, my dict offset 10 equals to number 10. I can store anything. My dictionary of say 20 equals to 20. My dict of say pi, sorry, pi, okay, equals to 3.14. Okay, now you can also use, say, print my dictionary of, now you have to give, if you give say 10 the key, you will get the value for that particular key. This is number 10. Or if you give simply my dic of say 20, okay, you get 20. My dictionary of say pi, right? So I did something wrong there. I think I did something wrong there, right? How it will recognize without that quotation mark? 3.14, right? So you can use like this. Also, my dict say pi, right? Then say my dictionary dot keys, keys, that is a function, right? It will return you all the keys. say my new 10 20 pi, like that. My dictionaries dot values, what are the values in it, right? You can use this function to get the values in that. Now if you want to only type mydix, you will get a key value pair. So it will be in curly braces like that. This is the key and it is its corresponding value separated by comma. This is the key, it is the corresponding values separated by comma. This is the key and its separated values corresponding the comma. Okay, this data type you will most frequently encounter when you use machine learning. Okay, so this is one of an important data structure. Okay, so that is the end of dictionary. Okay, before I end this video, I want to share the link of my book. This is my book, Arun Teaches Python. You can, if you wish, you can purchase this book. In India, this is 449 Indian rupee. If you want to buy it, the paperback from Amazon worldwide, then it would cost 19.40 US dollar. And this book is also available as an ebook, Kindle book. It's only 6.27 US dollar. So if you wish, you can buy that book. It will contains many other uh, theoretical examples there. Okay, so let me conclude this